Welcome to our journey into quantum computing. We'll dive into how qubits work, explore quantum gates, and see real circuits in action. Qubits can be realized using physical systems like the spin of an electron or the polarization of a photon. The Bloch sphere is a powerful way to visualize the state of a single qubit, representing all possible superpositions. The Pauli X, Y, Z gates and the Hadamard H gate manipulate the state of a qubit in specific ways, flipping, rotating, and creating superpositions. Controlled operations like the CNOT and Toffoli gates act on multiple qubits and are vital for quantum entanglement and logical operations. Let's create a simple quantum circuit. Watch how gates apply to qubits and observe the output probabilities. These gates and circuits power real-world breakthroughs like quantum teleportation and quantum error correction protocols. Quantum computing is evolving fast. Understanding qubits and gates is your first step toward the quantum future. Like and subscribe for more quantum computing videos.